Hey guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. On this second flight, I almost lost a drone. I'm not sure, well, no, I'm sure what happened. I had two waypoint flights in, and I forgot how to clear the first waypoint, and I put the second waypoint in and I saved it. I loaded it to the drone and to the controller. The poor drone was a little messed up. So it went way beyond where it should have went, but thank goodness for return to home. The drone came back. It was a little confused when it got near the cell tower. I will say that. However, the drone did come back. So I always put my return to home a little higher than my flight path. So you'll see it rise up near the end of the flight. But I got a little worried here on this flight, not knowing where the heck it was. I could see it in the camera, I could see it on the phone, and I had very little control when it was near the cell tower, and I think that was affecting it. It was spinning around, doing funny things on my phone and the controller. But at least we got it home and we got it landed. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Stay safe. Watch out for the other guy because, as I always say, the other guy may not be watching out for you. 7-3, folks.